Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Pretty car, guys. I actually sold this car around 2011 to a gentleman who's had it ever since, kept the car very nice. I bought the car out of Tennessee. The car was actually restored around 2010. It's got just over 10,000 miles on a complete frame-up restoration. Pretty car, real pretty car. It's finished in cranberry red. It's got the black SS striping, the black vinyl interior. It's got a healthy big block 454 motor in it, 700 R4 overdrive transmission, 12-bolt rear end. It's a factory air car, and it also has the operable cowl hood in it. Pretty car. BF Goodrich radial TAs all the way around it with the SS rallies. And really just a good car. Plenty of horsepower. Car runs out awesome. Drives good. A couple things I noticed. Got the original T3 headlights in it. There's a couple little things you can kind of pick in the paint. Again, it's done about around 2010. So you can see a couple little touch-up marks like that on it. But still very nice. This guy kept this car nice. I noticed just a little ding in the hood there. I believe that was in there when we actually sold it too. It does have the operable cowl hood. Again, as you kind of go around it, you can pick it, you know, a couple of little things. Nothing major. Still very nice car. New rear bumper. Just a little crack right there in the paint. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Good set of BFGs. Nice set of 15-inch SS rallies. Again, healthy big block. This thing definitely hits a lick. Sounds real good. These 70s are the king of the hill, man. This is the one everybody wants. Front disc brakes. Again, healthy big block, 454. It's got a Holley 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock Performer intake, Hedman ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It does have air. The air comes on, but it is going to need to be charged. He said he just never used it. And that's the one thing I always tell with people. You know, if you want air, you got to use it. Again, it's got the operable cowl hood. 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. New door handles, new door rubbers. They did the car, I'll tell you, they did it right. The car is held up very well. Again, he's maintained it well. Kept the car very nice. Bucket seats, console. It's got the tilt wheel. It's got some aftermarket gauges in there. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. It's got an aftermarket tack. You see the dash in the car is real nice. It's got 10,104. Hopefully you can see that on the odometer, and that is since it was restored. It's got an aftermarket radio. Matter of fact, there's the plug-ins down there for the USB. It's got the custom kick panels for the radio. Dual exhaust. It's got the 12-bolt 410 limited slip rear end with the rear sway bar. A little rough mark there. It's got the factory jack with the spare. It's all spackle coated in here like it should be. That's an amp there for the radio. Good car, man. And really hits the road good. Nice and tight. And Jay said it's got plenty of power. There's detailed up underneath real nice. Dash is nice. Steering wheel's in good shape. There's your aftermarket gauges, getting the USB plug-ins. Again, Jay did kick the air on it. It is going to need a charge, guys. It works, it blows, but if you want it to blow cold, you're going to need to charge it. The flapper works. It's got a electric fan. I don't know if you can hear that working or not. I'm pinning this myself here, guys. Easiest thing to do. Again, the operable cowl hood does work. I thought this was cool. I think I might have showed you this car. The car's got all the original T3 headlights in it. Tack works, gauges all work. Backup lights work. Gauges under there all work. Radio works. Blower motor works, guys. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.